What does that mean? Reporting in progress. What does that mean? I am a quails. I get back up when my friends fall.
Oh, you like that? You like that, right?
I get back up.
Excuse me.
When my friends fall, I'll help them get up. I am the only bee. And I'm special just the way I am. I'm special just the way I am.
You're special just the way
I am.
That's you. That's correct. You are special, girl. It seems like I always struggle to get sound. So I'm gonna there.
Can you help me open this thing up? Because it's tied. To be a could you please? I will love you.
Ooh la la la.
Ooh la la la.
I like when you say ooh la la la.
Got my headphones on.
Sure do.
Sure 3.
Yes, we do. Daddy's having some minor technical issues.
Okay.
Lexi, say technical issues. Technical issues.
Sorry, Dad. It was just my fault.
No, that's no worries, honey. Let's check now. Let's see if it's working now.
Okay.
How are we looking? Where's our microphone, guys?
Yeah, where's our microphone, guys?
Where's our microphone?
Where's our microphone?
Where is our microphone?
Where's our microphone?
Hey, where's our microphone?
Hey, where's our microphone?
Where is our microphone?
Where's our microphone?
Tell me where my microphone is.
Tell me where my microphone is.
Please tell me where my mic is.
Please tell me where my mic is.
I don't hear my microphone.
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 Turn my mic up, please.
Hear my mic up, please.
Turn my mic up, please.
Hear my mic up, please.
I don't hear my microphone.
I don't hear my whippet. I'm really going to do something good. Bye, guys. I'll see you. Okay, let's get started on our podcast.
Let's get started, guys.
Hello.
What did Alexia do to the buttons? It's not you. It's me. What did I do? It's amazing how.
What are you doing?
Excuse me.
I pressed it.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did, my lovely.
I can't see myself.
Where is my
Get me out of here. Get me out of this thing.
Where is my little Lexi baby? What are you doing?
Wait. Just wait for me. Hey, why is thinking go?
Okay, but don't just hit buttons. Then you might mess with the settings that I have. What is that? What are you doing? Please don't rub that. Come on, girl. You're touching the keyboard. You're funny. All right, let's check. Let's try it on this side. You know what? I might have to try it on the other side. I'm gonna try one more thing.
It says rumble.
How are we looking?
Good.
Okay, let's try it on this side.
What? What did you just say?
Are you hearing me in the headphones at all? All right. You don't hear my sound?
Sure. I want to hear your sound. First, your podcast, and then my podcast.
What's your podcast called?
I don't know. Daddy.
You have to name it. You have to say like, oh, Lexi's pre-K pod, or
Daddy, first you have to do your podcast. Okay? Put your headphones on. We'll get over here. There. Your headphones are on. Okay, can I hold this thing?
No, leave it there, please. Thank you so much. But please don't touch the button. Oh, got it. Finally, I got it. I think we got sound now. Yeah, we got sound. All right, good. Here.
Sound now.
Check. All right.
Sound now is on.
Check. It's a little loud.
Yeah,
There we go. All right, check it. Hear your voice. Listen to your voice. Talk.
Okay. Here we go. Yeah.
You hear your voice?
Yes.
How does it sound?
Good.
It's a beautiful voice.
Yes. I love my voice.
I love my voice.
Me too. I love my voice. 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 What are you doing? Dad, now hear your sound.
I love my voice too. Oh, it sounds good. Echo cancellation.
Now my turn.
We don't need the echo cancellation. All right, we got to get you ready though for bed.
What? Whoa.
All right.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
We're saying bye. We're closing down. See you guys later.
See you guys later.
Thanks for listening.
Thanks for listening.
And thanks for your support.
Thanks for your support.
Later.
Peace.
We love you.
Love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you more.
I love you too.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. We're logging in.